Hi all my new YouTube friends, I'm Sarah, Coupon Choice Mom. This channel is going to be the video component of my blog, couponchoicemom.com, so please go and check it out. All the videos on this channel are going to be about two things, couponing or becoming a single mom by choice. I'm going to be taking you along on grocery shopping trips and show you how you can get massive coupon savings of your own. I'm going to be showing you where to find coupons and all sorts of other couponing tricks. I'm also going to be showing you other everyday ways to save money. DIY projects, home decor, even mending and refreshing your wardrobe so that it looks great for next season. But I am also going to be talking a lot about becoming a single mom by choice. A single mom by choice is just that, a woman over a particular age who has decided to have a baby on her own. I waited for Mr. Right. He didn't come. I dated some Mr. Wrongs, some Mr. So-Sos, but Mr. Right, he's not here yet. I'm 41. Tick, 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 tick. But it's 2016 and there are other methods. So we're going to be talking about fertility treatments, hormone shots, all sorts of fun things like that. So if you have any suggestions for videos, comments, questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'm going to see you soon.